Hello, this is John Piper with the Tuesday video, and it's Tuesday the 10th of July. I'm having to use my Apple version of the Mac version of Camtasia, so no arrows today, I'm afraid. I'm fortunate about that. I can't do much about it, sadly. So I had to use a cursor. Basically, we've got this A, B, C down to there, so that's the A wave. We now have an A to here, B to here, and a C, which could be a B wave. Obviously, need to see some kind of reversal here. I still think we've got further to go here. Certainly no real sign of impulsive action on FTSE at the moment. Okay, we've got political turmoil, obviously, with this May thing and Brexit, etc. The only thing is that if this is a B wave, then it's a bit subnormal, and it could easily continue, basically. So right now, a bit open on FTSE. Right, on the DAX, I'm counting this as one of three. So I've seen the wave 1 off the peak back in January, wave 2 up to this point here, wave 1 of 3, and then we've got the A, B, and I'm talking about a C wave rally in the weekend report, and that's now coming in, not necessarily over yet, but so far the rally fits into the bearish pattern I've been talking about. I have got a bit of a sell-off this morning, so that's possibly the beginning of that. Right, turning to the Dow, with the A wave here, B wave up to there, discuss that. This is C wave, I believe, coming in, A, B, C maybe, or possibly 1, 2, 3. So again, the rally fits in well with the overall bearish count. I mean, it could be a bull trap, or it could of course be a true rally, we don't know for sure. What I do know is that this move up here has been fabulous for 66.33. Triggered 7 positions in a row, so that's amazing, really. I mean, those who've been following 66.33, you know that we buy and sell at, we either buy at the 33 levels or sell at the 66 levels, just do it continuously, so a small position builds up quite substantially. And as I say, this one's gone for 7, which is well over, I think, 2,000 points times your size. So that's a very significant development, certainly the biggest one we've seen so far. We're developing a bot, in fact an IG API at the moment. 2 issues. One is slippage, in the sense that you get, not slippage, churn, in that you get, in this kind of action here, for example, you can get a lot of losing trades, first positions. But of course, when you get something like this, then that's absolutely wonderful. We're itemizing the initial trades by changing the position size slightly, so I can monitor exactly how that position does. And I'm hoping we'll actually develop a bot, sort of, we just set it off and it will be profitable just by letting it run. That may not be possible, but that's the current plan. Otherwise, a case of using it when action is suitable, as it is, of course, now. I mean, we're seeing quite volatile action at the moment, which suits it ideally. When we have a sort of churning action, that will not suit it at all. So it may be the bot always has to be switched on and off, but we'll see how that goes. That's part of the testing process. But right now, no real change here either. It's broken up the upside. Often you see a test of the triangle at least, so I'm still thinking that this market needs one more sell-off here. Right, on to the Nasdaq. Seen the peak here a few weeks ago, sort of late June. 5 waves down to here. Then got this A wave, discuss that. B wave. Now a very strong C wave, very close to making new highs, in fact. So that's obviously could happen. That would obviously validate that count, but it does look pretty good. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's fall away as well, but obviously can't rule out a new high at this point in time. Right, gold. We've seen quite a strong impulsive move up to there. Now I'm wondering it's hard to count this, to be honest. I mean, we've got an ABC here at the moment, but that could obviously extend. If that was all a 1 wave up to here, so that's wave 1. Then an ABC here would be quite in order, just to break below there perhaps. But it doesn't really count well as a 1. It counts better as an ABC really. A, B, C. So we need to see this hold essentially. I mean, I'm a longer term trader. I'm looking for longer moves. Looking for catch gold up to 1400 plus. I'm less interested in these sort of little wiggles. Which obviously a short-term trader would call that a massive move, which I understand. People have different parameters the way to look at markets. Just depends on how you want to trade. I mean, it could be we've got some kind of one hard to find a 2 here, but say that's a 3. Then this would be a 4, maybe a 4th wave triangle, and a 5th, making this a wave 1. So this could be a 2, but it really doesn't count that very well. My stop's below here on the extreme stop, so I was looking at about 4 or 5 points, I think. No, a bit more than that, it's about 10 points. So I may get stopped out. That's part of the business, so that's how it works. I'll monitor it going forward, obviously, but right now this does raise a few questions. It didn't up here, obviously. I mean, if it blipped down to here, say, it means nothing, but having got down to the heading towards the 50s level, and the A and the C is yet to equal the A, in fact, so the A wave around 65, down around 57 at 8 points. So 50, actually does, well, so this is actually about 8 points already. So but it's possible that the ABC is complete. Anyway, we need to wait for developments. I'm recommending with my longs, stop down here. So I'm a longer term trader, so I'm not that fussed with the shorter term stuff. But obviously we each have to do our own thing in the markets. Right, on to Bitcoin. So we have the low here. So a possible 1 to there. That would be wave 1. ABC 2 down to here. We've then got a potential 1, 1, 2, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that actually counts fine. This will then become a 4 wave. So we've got the 1 there, 2 there, 3 to there, a 4 wave. In fact, the 4 wave could be some kind of triangle, as Bill pointed out. That could be a running triangle. So this will then be the 5th wave coming in. So as long as this remains an ABC, A, B, C, then that could allow for a stronger rally to come in. So there is some hope here. I would mention that if you actually count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, that counts fine, in fact. So that would be a complete move up to there, 3 wave. There's triangular 4th wave, and then this as a final 5th wave, completing wave 1 from here. Okay, and you notice that the wave 4 low around here is nowhere near the wave 1 high, which is what would confound the Elliott count. So this has to remain as an ABC. Now, it could be an A, B, C down to here, a B wave, and one more sell-off. But that remains to be seen how that comes in.